Okay, maganda panahon ngayon. And kahapon, so ngayon makapag-upload ako sa TikTok. May technique na ako kasi for the past few days, hindi maka-upload kasi wala TikTok dito sa China. So ang gagawin ko, yung mga i-edit ko sila sa TikTok, isasend ko kay Gerald sa Philippines. May access siya sa TikTok ko tapos i-upload niya sa TikTok. Problema lang, hindi ko makikita yung mga comments. So tara, let's go. Well, hindi ko naman binabasa para hindi ako affected.
Affected saan? Wait, asan na yung mga ano dito?
Okay, so pag madilim, win 1x ko yung phone. Okay, hanapin na natin yung tatlong bugoy. Dito na ba sila?
Tara.
Dito na sila. Let's go.
Vincent, na lang.
Wala pa?
Wala pa.
Tawagan mo.
Di, ano?
Wow, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. So, hindi siya blue skies, pero better than the other day. Kahapon talagang sobrang cloudy niya, tsaka umambon-ambon. Ngayon mas maganda. Dinala nyo papain na, hindi na?
0% chance.
Ako, hindi na.
Ano,
Grabe kayo.
Pampabigat lang yun eh. Iwanan mo na, mabigat ba?
Pareho kayo. Kahapon gusto bumili. Ikaw naman ayaw mo bumili. Tapos ngayon, nung bumili ka, ayaw mo dalhin. Panalo kayo. Ako,
Hindi na daw ulan eh. Ikaw, Julius,
Dinala ko. Basta huwag kayo.
Basta pag umulan. Pag umulan daw, kukuhanin ni Ma'am Nicole.
Huwag kayo makipayong.
So, dito kami sa Crown Plaza. And hinihintay na lang namin yung Grab namin. Dito na yung sundo namin. So, naka-Buick kami today. Seating arrangement. Ako palagi sa harapan.
Grabe yung sarado mo.
Babae yung ano namin. Yung driver namin yan.
Ay, ma'am, team.
So, ang service namin ngayon Buick. Usually ganito yun. Pagandahan yung mga vans sila dito na service. Ito yung Uber nila. Julius, ano pangalan ng Uber dito?
Baka iniisip na isang pagsara.
Ha? DD Travel. Travel? Mas pagandahan ng... Yan o. Ang ganda ng mga interior para sila mga Alphard. Pero iba-iba. So may Buick, may mga Chinese brand, may mga pure EV.
Sundutan ko na lang. Sabay-sabay. Pagsara na. Tsaka...
Tingnan nyo, ang lalaki ng lane nila para sa bikes lang, tsaka mga e-bikes, scooters. Ito yung sa mga kotse.
Sabi yan, tingnan mo yung matanda o naka-wheelchair na sumaandar.
Saan?
Sa
Saan?
harapan niya. Ito, dadaan. Sa harapan na itong maliit na, yun o.
Kaniso. Pati si Lolo kumakarera. Ano? Kumahataw.
Wala pa. Hindi ko, 1 pa lang kung para sa music. I-divide na sa 1.5.
80,000 divided by 1.2 million ba sila?
Billion.
Diba nasa China tayo? Tingnan nyo yung mga brands sila dito. Hindi naman puro Chinese cars din. So ito sinasakyan namin, Buick. Nasa harapan ko Buick. Ano, Toyota. What else? You know, Audi. Yung puti. Audi, diba? Ito, Build Your Dreams. Isa pa lang na Chinese car. Tuloy na dyan, Audi. Sabihin, kahit dito, China na to China na to.
Akala mo mahal yung guide.
Hindi naman majority puro mga Chinese vehicles.
Ako sa inyo.
Halos karamihan pa rin. Halo-halo pa rin eh. Siguro mga Chinese vehicles ang makikita mo sa kalsada mga 20%. Ang dami pa rin na European brands, mga BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, ang dami rin. Ang daming Toyota, Alphard. Chevrolet ata yun eh. Toyota, Honda, Toyota yung black to sa unahan.
So, kaya nyo mag-advance reservations eh.
Saan? Para kay...
Diba? So,
Sa kay National?
marami pa rin Japanese cars dito. Hindi majority puro mga Chinese
Free siya.
vehicles, lalo na mga EV. Beijing na to
Nagutom na. Kinain namin yung plate na ito. Sandwich.
Oh, sure pace. 100 kilometers daw eh.
Hi, Zen. Hello? Yes, what's up?
Ano yun? Ano pumasok?
等，我靠个边，一会儿过去靠一个。
Pati yung may ipis. Okay. Okay.
可以了吗？
Yeah. No problem.
Ate siya nagulat eh.
Minsan nananahimik kami dito, biglang may sumigaw. Pumili dahil sa ipis. Pati si ate nagulat. Buti na lang hindi nagdadrive. Buti na hindi siya nagdadrive. Tapos yung binangga niya.
Tinuro ko kasi. Tapos binuksan ko yung bintana. Tapos nung nakalabas siya, sinarato ko yung nalaglag pabalik. Gulat lahat eh.
Dito lahat nasa electric scooter, sabi ni Nicole. Pati mga lola palaban, nakikipagkarerahan. So sobrang efficient nila kasi dahil pa rin mga high-end luxury cars. Pero hindi lahat kailangan mag-commute, sumakay sa mga bus. So imagine niyo yung efficiency na kung paano sila gumagalaw. Hindi palaging kailangan nakasakay sila sa sa mga kotse. Tsaka siguro pag sanay ka na rin Nicole. Pag sakay ka na rin dyan, kahit bumabagyo, may mga sistema na sila. Kaya dire-diretso pa rin yan eh. Tsaka talaga maganda in-allocate na space sa kanila. Yun lang, ayun o. Yan, sige. Ready sila magsalpukan. Ang nasa harapan na namin.
Tapos
Dahil dito tignan nyo.
Yung pinupuntahan talaga natin.
Convenience.
Para tayong nasa puntahan natin palagi Makati. Hindi naman lang.
audit na tayo sa views. Yan yung tanong ko sa inyo ngayon. Kung may framework na pala, messenger tsaka hindi PTP, 100% nga. 100% nga. Malingkin na kami. Hindi na dito si user. Oh, please lang. Please lang talaga. Please lang. Oo, pre-campaign. Ganun talaga. Mas maganda nga yun. Madali pa audit.
marunong
慢点
pa ako sa，inyo.
慢点，看后边，看后边，看后边，看后边。
Ha? Watch out daw.
可以可以可以。
Okay. Tumingin daw muna kayo. Baka may dumaan. Okay. Siya, bye-bye.
Payong niya. Ay, di maniwala.
Wala na.
Yung payong niya.
Okay na.
Malakas ulit loob niya.
Ngayon, wala na ulit ulan. Kasi kanina pa kami nagde-debate, uulan o hindi. Maganda tong area, lakaran, no? Parang yung, gulo. Gulo. Parang gulo nung isang araw. Vincent. Jonathan. Ito na yung pinakasimpleng pinto nila dito. So, dahil hindi tayo taga dito, pwede na yan. Pang Instagram na yan. Yan. Punta ka na dyan. Pang Instagram na yan. Tayo na, Jonathan. Tayo na dyan. May forma na. Ano, Julius?
Yung meaning nung sign, comfort.
Nagtatawa na si Jonathan. Weirdong-weirdo na sila kay Jonathan.
Sabi niya na nakita na siya.
Banyo lang pala yun. Yun ang mahirap. Hindi lang namin alam pinagagawa namin dito. Ganda ng Tingnan, tingnan mo, bumibili sila ng mga pang costume nila doon. Sila Julius Jonathan, magko-costume. Ito daan mga bahay. Silipin natin.
Tara. Video mo ko.
Hindi, feeling ko ikot yan. Hindi, meron yung sa kabila.
Video mo ko.
May tawa-tayo. Ayun na, dapat ganyan. Dapat ganyan ang natin dito. Chunli. Dito, kahit saan, may bike. May e-bike, pwede mo i-rent. Nicole! Tignan nyo, gusto nyo mag-rent ng bike? Para marami maikot?
Mas ideal yun. Alam mo, may realization.
Tignan nyo.
Huwag tayo mag-set up ng centralized AI, GPU, processing system.
Dali. Wait lang. So, ito, anong area to? Julius. Ganda na to area na to. Anong pangalan? Dongchen. So, nandito tayo sa Dongchen. At ito, yung mga naka-costume pa sila, naka-cosplay.
Maganda lang gusto ng cosplay.
Ganda na area. So, para siyang tourist area, shopping area.
The Forbidden City.
Ito yung kanilang parang luneta dito.
Sarado? Paano mo sarado?
Alright, so nandito na tayo sa Forbidden City. And this is going to be a half-day tour. Maganda ang panahon. So the weather is not perfect. Feeling mo lang baka umambo ng konti. Pero better compared to yesterday. And ito yung Forbidden City. Kasama natin si Nicole, si Vincent, si Julius, saka si Jonathan. Binasa nyo na ba ito kagabi? Ang ganda, picture tayo dito. For how much?
How many people?
5.
500 yen per person. 100
per person.
Yes, 500
For how long?
Depends. Most of Forbidden City is about 2 hours, around 2 hours. Depends.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Yeah,
Do we need to eat first before we go,
It's
or we
up
can
to
go
you.
now?
It's up to you. You want to eat or not?
No, we're okay now.
Yeah, actually, it's up to you. Actually, Forbidden City now is about 10:30. About 10:30, 11, 12. About 12:30, 1 o'clock. 12:30 we can finish.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
you have enough time after for lunch.
Can you give us discount?
It's good price already.
Ah,
If
good
you
price.
only one people, 2 people, same price almost.
We're actually
7.
7.
If
But
you're 7 people, price a little different. If you're 7 people, price is 600. For maximum for me, it's 600. So if you're 7
maximum.
people together, it's 600.
1,000 people.
1,000 people also. 600, the same.
minus 100 because you're eating.
Oh,
Yeah,
minus.
if you're 7, 8,
Hintayin ba natin si
10
Jinjin?
people, price is the same. It's
Okay,
600, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, very nice. And then we have enough time to take pictures.
We don't
Yes,
have tickets. Do you need tickets to go inside?
Do you have the bring your passport?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Your tickets.
Dala
If you
passport
bring
ko.
your passport, no problem. Okay.
Ikaw,
Lahat
ano?
kayo? Tara. Dala niyo lahat
But how do
passport
we
niyo.
pay you?
After you can pay me cash, Alipay, WeChat Pay, anything.
What's your
Dollar,
name? What's your
euro.
name?
Lulu.
Lulu.
Yeah, because
Okay.
my English name is Lu, so I give the. My first family name is Lu Li Qian, so I give the family name Lulu. It's English name. It's easy for memory.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So Lulu,
Yeah.
two of our friends are coming over.
Yeah.
When they come here, do we go get?
Any place you want to finish, you can finish. Depends. You know, actually, Forbidden City 3.5 kilometers.
This one, the moat, it goes
The
around.
road around the Forbidden City. It's about 3.5 kilometers around the other side of Forbidden City.
So I have a question. Whatever we see, it looks the same way like thousands of years ago. How long is Forbidden City?
604 years.
600 years. So, 600.
Yes, more than 600 years.
Everything's still the same, the way it looks.
No, different. Actually, Forbidden City is about, yes, it's the gate. It's the gate of the Palace Museum. You also call it Forbidden City and the East Gate Palace Museum because they have the two names, the Forbidden City and the Palace Museum. Actually, today we give the name is the Palace Museum. The before 1924, we call it the Forbidden City. It's the same place. We just give them information.
But the entire color, everything still the same? Do you
A
think?
little bit different.
But the water is still the same?
What everything change.
Okay, okay. So ang tawag dito, moat, castle moat. So di ba usually pag mag-invade yung mga kalaban, dito lang nagpupuntahan yung mga invading forces. Kasi saan din dumadaan yung mga serious soldiers. Siyempre, nandyan din yung mga lahat ng mga weapons sila to counter the attack. Tapos walang nag-invade sa moat. Pero in some cases, sa mga napaparod natin, mga ibang sitwasyon. Uy, may payong.
Okay, parang may payong din ako sa pag. Parang gusto ko din ilabas, pero gusto
May
ko muna
payong,
itago.
pero si Julius, grabe yung pagmamahal ni Julius kay Jonathan.
Gusto ko muna itago yung payong ko. Feeling ko tataas ang value nito mamaya.
May ano yan, tumataas pa yan.
Tataas ang value nito mamaya. Okay, dahil naniwala sila kay Siri, 0% chances of raining. Hindi sila nagdala.
So ngayon, umuulan.
At alam niyo naman, Boy Scout tayo. Anong gagawin natin dito ngayon?
So nagbili kami payong kahapon, tapos ngayon, hindi namin dinala. Kasi sabi ni Siri, sinabi kasi ni Siri, 0% chance. Ito pala problema.
Ano?
Hindi pa nakapunta ng China si Siri.
Wala naman eh. Wala na dyan.
Broken, balik-baliktad pa
Ganda,
English niya.
So nandito kami sa tabi ng Forbidden City. Museum Palace din, Palace Museum. Tingnan niyo pagkakagawa ng walls niyo. Ganda. Ganda. Tingnan niyo sa gilid
R&B. Mas mura siya compared sa mga isip namin.
Ang calm ng water.
7 kami, max of 600.
Actually, the Beijing actually is we are number 3, the third biggest population.
The first
one is Chongqing. You have been to
Chongqing. I want to see Chongqing.
Chongqing actually is about 32 or 33 million people.
And then
the second is Shanghai.
Chongqing, is that like the futuristic city that they're
Bigger,
showing?
yeah, because they're very famous. The second one is Shanghai. You know, have you been to Shanghai?
A little bit.
Shanghai actually is a business city and it's a modern city. It's about 28 million to 29 million people for living. Number 3 is Beijing. Beijing is about 25 or 26 million people for living here.
Wow.
China is a lot of people.
I know.
Altogether, it's more than like the both like India. It's 1.4 billion. Hello, wall. maintenance altogether from the 1368 to 1604 is maintenance. Not enough. It's about 270 now already. But you know, actually during the maintenance day, the first day Emperor Zhu Enzhang and the second Emperor Zhu Yunwen, they are not living big.
Maintenance is like the gunpowder.
Yeah, gunpowder. Actually, no, the maintenance. Yes, but most about in the maintenance gunpowder is not famous. But that time almost for.
Okay.
Time lapse.
23.
Passport, forgot the tickets is okay.
Para siyang giant bonsai. Pinuto ng mga friends.
How many clients can you?
Pinuto niya. Sobrang laki.
Yeah, for you, like for a day, how many customers can you?
One day almost one time.
Just one time.
Almost. Sometimes two times. Sometimes several times.
So after us, do you take a break already?
No, after
go home.
Here, no, after here we take another place like a Summer Palace, Temple of the Heaven. Even they have, but if not, okay, finish. It depends. Almost we finish the job is about 6 o'clock.
So, andito pa lang kami sa entrance. Yun na. Dalawa.
Pag ginawa kami
Parang
daw
na.
to, may mangyayari maganda.
Dalawa.
May magic.
Dalawang kamay. Sabay.
natin.
Yan, dalawang kamay. Yan.
Ito na. Grabe. Sobrang powerful nito.
Julius, itry mo.
Sobrang powerful.
Gayahin mo
Parang
daw.
feeling ko natanggal.
Gayahin mo daw siya.
Feeling ko natanggal lahat ng sakit sa katawan ko.
Positive, negative.
IG.
Grabe.
Daming tao mga boy.
Parang ano eh, yung mga sa pelikula. Yung makikita yung mga ano.
Everyday more than 8,000 yung pupunta dito. So nagka-top na sila.
So, andito pa lang kami sa entrance. Grabe oh. Parang alam mo yung sa pelikula yung pinatawag ka na emperor. Pinatawag lahat ng tao. Kundi malalatigo.
Kapatawag isa. Kasi nasinginan dito. Nawala na yung tour guide. Nawala na si Lulu.
Sabi ng ChatGPT, 80,000 daw. Tama ba, Jonathan? 80,000 na tao nagpupunta dito every day. 80,000. Grabe, daming tao. Parang may rally. Ayun. Doon daw. Parang may rally sa loob eh. May flooring. Okay, so doon muna tayo. Hindi muna tayo pupunta doon. And sundan natin si Lulu kung ano sasabihin niya. Grabe, okay. Hindi kasi may nagtutour, may nagsasalita. Ayan o. Yan yung ginagamit namin sa ano. Maganda yan. Actually, gusto kong maghanap ng ganyan eh. Mas maganda na nga yan eh. Yan yung ginamit namin sa Europe. Grabe yung dami ng tao.
Ang tanong, nasaan na yung...
Eto, pipila na kami. Sobrang haba ng pila.
Yeah, just a passport number and your tickets.
Oo, passport number.
So nakikita nyo itong pila. Nakikita nyo yung pila na yan. Oh, panis. Dahil may backer kami, si ate. Sagot na kami ni ate kung saan kami pipila ng ano. Saan kami pipila ng pangmalakasan.
This is for
Dito, 14. So they built this in 14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
Actually, there
And-
was a building Forbidden City construction. It's from the 1406, 1406. 1406.
1406,
To the
1406.
1420.
1420.
Yes.
At kaya nila nagawa ng mabilis. Alam niyo ba't nagawa nila mabilis? 1 million yung workers. 1 million workers. Natapos sila to. 14 years. Grabe lupit.
Government limit of working. So he just live in the summer palace a few years. Actually in 1958, 1958, we government give the last year.
Ano? Kaya mahirap. Kaya sobrang haba ng pila dahil sa entrance. Lahat nag-check ko yung mga bags. Which is good. Okay, after ng mahabang pila na yon, nakapasok na kami. Ito na po ang pinagbabawal na city. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Built in the 1400s. 1600s, 1400s.
604 years.
600 years.
604 years.
60. What year?
From the 1420 to now.
1420. 1420. 1420. So 1420 until now. 600.
4 years.
604 years. Was there a big celebration on the 600 year?
They have every year they have the biggest celebration, like emperor, like the wedding ceremony, like the picking the throne. The first coming.
Oh, ganda. Tara, explain na ni Lulu.
Actually, the Forbidden City is from the Ming and Qing dynasty. The first is Ming dynasty, the last is Qing dynasty. During the Ming dynasty, the first emperor living here is Zhu Di. His name is Zhu Di, is number 3, the third emperor. He first time living inside the Forbidden City in the 1421. Because before we live in 19. Because when his father, the emperor Zhu Di, his father lived in 19. After that time, he as the king has the general live in Beijing. After 4 years, 1506 to the 1420 was building Forbidden City. It's about 14 years. About 1 million people passed the 14 years construction Forbidden City.
How many rooms?
Forbidden City original is about 9,000. 9,999 and 1,000 rooms. 9,999 and a half rooms. To know why 9,999 and a half? Because first reason in Asia of the China, the emperor believe he's the son of the heaven. In the emperor, the Chinese name is Tian.
So
Tian is mean heavens, is mean sun, is mean he was born in the heavens. Over, so they have 9,999 and a half rooms. That's standing for emperor has a supreme power above all authorities. Of course, today the Forbidden City is not enough 9,999 and a half because Forbidden City.
Grabe, riot dito, rumble. Kanya-kanyang hanap pa ng angle dito. Grabe, pag palapit ka ng palapit, paano siya eh. Pa-majestic majestic yung feeling ng buong palace. Saan sila?
Sakit ng bubuyog oh.
Ano ba yan? Bubuyog. Wala na.
Yari, dito na ako.
Bubula na bibig mo.
Example ceremony and celebration. We will all in harmony. They have the pair of the lines. This one is the male, female, and otherwise the male. The female and the male is different. The female with the hands the holding of the baby. The baby
Stig. Pag palapit ka ng palapit, palupit siya ng palupit eh.
heaven is round, the earth is square. So the ball like the
Sa movie na The Last Emperor, mas iconic tong side na to. Itong side na to, yan. Versus dito. Sa halos lahat ng movies, very typical yan. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-gate.
when the Japanese invited here, but at that time they are not.
Ganda ng panahon, no? Ganda ng weather.
Ulan yan. Hindi ko makakamugod.
Tingnan mo yung dami ng tao sa baba. Oh. Video natin yung mga tao sa baba. Imagine niyo pag nagpapatawag yung emperor ng ano, ng meeting. Ano lang to, mga palace guards lang yung kaya pumunta dito. Hindi kasya lahat. Pumasok na tayo sa gate. Wow! Grabe dami ng tao. Meron na sa labas, meron pa dito sa loob.
Supreme Harmony.
Tingnan mo yung ano.
Palace of the Supreme Harmony.
Pwede ma-include.
Naka-field sa
Oo, pero pag
sa
paangat ka
attraction.
rin, makakapit mo. Galing din yun. Oh. Yung Mulan para Northwest Dynasty, yung Song Dynasty.
Grabe, kanya-kanyang palakasan ng boses ng tour guide dito eh.
Sigaw mo rin.
Bawat tour guide, kanya-kanya sigaw eh.
Sumigaw rin kaya ako dito.
The emperor will also call it the Wan Sui.
Hanggang dito sa loob ng Forbidden City. Okay po lang sa kalam. So gusto ko lang sabihin, nakapasok ng ano, okay po. Sa loob ng Forbidden City. Ito yung flooring, oh. Halos nasira na.
This is the floor like
City about every 3 years we have repairs because a lot of the tourists coming, so they are broken down easy. So every
But the
3
roof,
years.
I read an article that the roof is still like reach the...
Yes,
Is that true?
yes, this is the
The roof
marble.
is-
The roof
Tara, selfie 360.
here they are repairs. Actually, this floors is about 15 pieces like this. 5 pieces.
5 pieces.
From east to west away is about 7 pieces. From south to the north is about 8 pieces. Altogether, 15.
Okay, so nakapasok na ang buong Okay Po team sa loob ng Forbidden City. Tara, go. Dito sa likod. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's go! Philippines! Philippines! Nakapunta?
Ang sarap ng aw-aw dito. Masarap yung aw-aw tsaka meow-meow.
Bullfrog, masarap.
Yung meow-meow tsaka aw-aw.
If you fly about
为啥呢？这是等级最高的啊建筑，太和殿啊！来，对，咱们在这儿拍还是等一会儿上去拍？上去拍吧。行，来，咱们走。我继续给大家讲一下啊。它呢是由3部分组成啊。你看啊，它首先呢，咱看这个。
in winter season, Ulaanbaatar is in Mongolia. In the Mongolia. In the Mongolia. But in the Mongolia,
Jonathan, isut mo pababa.
my father from Inner Mongolia.
Yan. Para kita yung mga tao.
其实你们看到这儿了，没有看边上那个。
Okay po lang sa kalam dito. Okay po.
笑这个牙，特别的搞笑。
Grabe, layo na nang narating ng okay po. Umabot na sa Forbidden City ng China. Wow!
We see here in front of the bridge is a lot of the incense burners. That is for the ceremony and the celebration. When the emperor ceremony
Dito yung
and
incense
celebration,
burning.
we put inside the incense made a smoke like emperor living in heaven, like smoking like emperor living in heaven. In front of this,
What is this?
the hall of the supreme harmony. The hall, you see, winter
Ang mga
ceremonies,
ceremonies
Lunar
nito.
New Year, so when the emperor the celebration and ceremonies coming here. Here, actually, the hall of the supreme harmony is the highest building inside the Forbidden City. You know, inside the Forbidden City, almost the building is made of the wood. Here is the wood building. On the top, the columns are.
Tingnan lahat ng mga yellow na roofing nila. Ano, naka-uniform.
Actually, on the top is made of the yellow color glaze of the tiles. Actually, you know, today we see this building is about the 62 meters wide and 37 meters high. How do you?
对，放气就上。都有金粉脱色了，褪色的了。那么以前是薄薄的金片，用白漆山的。
So he sit down there.
Yes.
The baby sit down there.
He sit down there. He's worried. He said he's crying and crying because you know a lot of the high-ranking officials is crying for the tourists. Here,
Right,
it's
for 2
about-
hours.
We are last emperor.
Paano daw? Ang sabi daw ng baby?
3 years old siya, nilagay siya dyan nung na throne. He enthroned siya as the new emperor. Tapos for the next 2 hours, nag-celebration sila dito ng mga high-ranking officials. And then yung emperor, 2 hours lang na umiiyak.
Ah, umiiyak
Because you know
ka.
he's 3 years old, he's crying. His
Yeah, yeah.
father touch him and see no crying, finish. For father see 3 times finish. Then the Qing dynasty
How did
about
the baby emperor cry? I know.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. Okay, you take a photo. There we go. Yeah. Just like the name is a waterfall.
Ganun panahon, no?
Yeah, we can see here they have 2 animals, right?
Grabe ganda kada pasok mo sa gate. Makikita mo gano'n ka majestic yung susunod eh. Tingnan nyo to. Ganda. So dumating na.
Sabi niya.
Dumating na si Jin.
Hey! Hi!
So finally, sumama na sila sa... Dumating na sila dito. First time na mag-meet.
Preserving harmony if the emperor came in here.
So 2 oras na kami naglalakad at nasa kalahati pa lang kami ng trip. Pagod na kami lahat. Sabi mo kay Lulu, ano na? I-press mo na yung quit button.
Streaming ASR.
Ubus na yun. Sarog na yung API.
After is another half of the Forbidden City. You know, every day we are again. So sometimes with the busy season we came here is about 3 times. If you busy season.
Wow!
You know, last
Grabe, walang katapusan.
The day before yesterday, I was
Grabe.
meters. Actually,
Nag-iisip siya sa iba, hindi sa Boyong.
From the entrance to here is the Forbidden City, all the parts. We finish the Forbidden City, all the part, all the court. Then we go to the inner part. It's for living way. It's a half of the Forbidden City, there is another half.
I want to see the concubines.
Yeah, this is the middle way for the emperor, empress way. The both side for concubines. The emperor, empress live in the middle way. The both side 6 eastern and 6 western. That's it for.
So nung nagpalas kami, umakyat kami, so ngayon pababa na. So yun yung pinaka-center part ng buong Forbidden City. Hindi ko lang natanong, ilan kaya ang nakatira dito na permanent resident ng time na yun?
Tanong mo siya.
Nasa na ba si China GPT?
Because emperor should make sure. meters wide. Function to Beijing to here is about 75 kilometers. At that time,
one piece of stone lang yan.
In China, we have no modern transportation. The people is very clever. How do you know? Do you know how do they carry? Actually, no. They are not. Actually, the people is very clever on the way from the Beijing is about 50 meters long. They got the wells. Brought up the water from the wells. On the road, on the road.
Grabe yung mga tao, hindi natatapos. Parang tubig lang yung mga tao.
它的狮子形状是不是也发生了变化？刚才太和门前那个狮子耳朵竖立，表情
掉了嘛？我说了溜级又不是纯金。
它的耳朵张着嘴还伸着舌头。
From the top to the down, the first was Qian, and the name is the bit of the heavenly. First is heavenly, Qin is the Qin dynasty. After we will go there. Actually, a lot of concubines and to putting the number of concubines name. We just write down different concubine names. Each of the China, each concubines, they have the name list. Normally, they give on the special colors. When the emperor and knight want to concubines speaking, okay, the eunuch will choose from the street and maybe 200 or 300.
So, itong puno na to, couple tree. 270 years old na to. So ano to, it signifies love kasi male and female to. It means forever. So Nicole, pag nagpicture tayo dito, sabihin wala na talagang hiwalayan. Paano ba yan?
Huwag na lang.
Lulu. So if we take a picture, it means I have to be with her forever? Huh? Forever. No.
Yung nag-get yung joke mo.
West is about a
Chrysanthemum tree. Tingnan yung itsura. Ganda.
Even next time you come in here, no hair. I should be the
So that's it. Thank you, Lulu. She's
See
a
you
she's
next
a very
time.
good tour guide.
Yes,
If you
thank
guys are here in Beijing,
Thank
Anyway.
you coming here, coming in Beijing.
show them your card.
Yes.
Show it.
I'll give you my card.
Yeah.
So if you guys are around in Beijing, look for Lulu.
Oh, thank
The-
you very much.
the best
Thank you.
English guide.
Thank you very much. You give him.
Joke pa sana ako.
Yes, you see the first your right way to the second right light. Then yeah, just off there. It's of the location for the taxi. Yeah, but not here. Here no taxi stop.
Maganda ang acrobatic show, tsaka
Yes,
Chinese
yes,
food.
same. Yeah, yeah, same.
Which is the best of the three?
Best-
Which is the best? Here,
Which is
of
best?
the three.
This one?
No, here, the show.
This the show. They also the best three.
Which is the best?
Acrobatic show. Acrobatic
Every
show.
day,
Every day.
every day.
Yeah, if you want, you before one day, contact with me. I can help you get tickets.
Okay.
And also we have the private car to the hotel for pick up your hotel.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll let
acrobatic
you know.
show. Because the Kung Fu show today is not open. Picking up because for you it's young, you didn't understand. Because longer talking, but you didn't understand.
Yeah,
Acrobatic
acrobatic
is
show.
easy for understand and next show.
Tara na tayo. Okay.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, Lulu.
Bye-bye. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
So tayong tatlo?
Finally, finish. No more. Right, pagod na kami. Ano? Nag-enjoy ka?
Kinabayan ko yung ano. Pag may makapag-handshake sa'yo, gano'n na you know. In the Philippines, we do this.
Kasi na handshake eh. Sarap kasi na handshake.
Asa lang makagamat.
Finally yan, tapos na kami. Palabas na kami dito sa tunnel. Grabe yung construction ng palace. At hindi mo ma-imagine kung paano nila ginawa ito lahat 600 years ago. Ano pa yung palace sa labas? Okay, we're done. Ito na yung nakalabas na tayo sa palace, sa Forbidden City. Kasi ang ganda ng picture ng moto. Okay, finally, natapos na rin kami dito sa Forbidden City. Sobrang habang lakad, ikot, educational tour. Tsaka syempre maraming realization tungkol dun sa kultura tsaka history ng iba, obviously China. Nakakatuwa lang. Grabe, sobrang daming tao dito. Ito po, ano ito mga to? Ano ginagawa nila? Ba't may mga payong? Mga live streamers ata? Hindi. Mga tour guide. Yung mga tour guide, may mga kanya-kanya setup sila. Ibibigay nila doon sa mga, yung sinasabit sa tenga. Tapos, yung nagsasalita, kaya na marinig na sobrang daming tao. Anyway, this is a very good experience. Tapos, naglalakad lang kami sa tabi ng moat. Zed, picture mo kami ni Nicole.
Ay, ba?
Para ipamuros lang. Ipamuros but make it binondo.
May gusto ko gawin, baka malaglag.
Yun na, may away. Yun na. Nagkakagulo na. Ayun na, away. Sinong tama?
Ito siguro, no?
Sinong tama?
Ito kaya, Jules? Paano mo mapipinto?
Grabe oh. Haba pa. Lapit tayo para mas marinig pa natin. Ayaw pa nila umalis eh. Hindi naman sila nagkabanggaan, pero nagkagulatan lang, nagkabiglaan. Kaya bad trip sila.
Walang challenge.
Sisigaw siya eh, tapos babalik na sa kotse. Tapos may isang sisigaw ulit, babalik ulit, magano na naman sila eh. Magkakagatan ulit eh. Jet Li versus Jackie Chan. Ano yun naman. Natin sino mananalo. Hindi pa tapos. Tapos na. Ayun, sumisigaw pa. Bababa ulit.
Si Jonathan para taga China na.
Wala.
Para taga China.
Noong unang panahon, nagkasubukan na ng Kung Fu. Ayun. Minura siya eh. Ayun, lalabas ulit eh. Ayun. Pinabilang niya, pero hindi pa sila tapos. Parang ako lang nagva-vlog sa kanila. Lumapit na tayo para mapakinggan na talaga natin yung kung sino talaga tama sa kanila. Jim Paulet. So by chance lang nakita namin ang Cloud Coffee Restaurant. Oh, laki nung LED niya. Tara, maganda.
Mahal.
Dito na, mukhang social.
Pizza, isang tirang pizza no.
Beef noodle, ayan o.
Ayan, duwara na.
Patulan na natin. Tara na, sakay na tayo. Pang bata. Pang vibe lang siya. Tsaka parang walang hangin, hindi malamig. Mas malamig pa sa labas. Dito na yung mga bata, field trip nila.
Dito na tayo.
Okay, papunta na kami sa... Sinipon ako sa ice cream Papunta na kami sa mall. Tapos kami dito sa mga temples. Palace. Glass yung building. Glass yan. Makikita mo doon sa corner sa edges. Ayun o. Steve.
Ocean, pupunta ka lang dun para sa
Andito na tayo sa isang bagong mall. 10-15 minutes away na lang to, away from our hotel. Ganda oh. Ito yung mall. Stig, ang ganda ng mall. Laki ng pila dito. Ganda ng mall oh. Ganda ng mall nila. Lupit ng pagkasiling oh. Dito oval. Laki na Apple Store dito. Ang daming LED. LED ceiling oh. Ito yung pinaka... Andito kami sa isang high-end luxury mall sa Beijing. At ito yung sinasabi nilang punta namin. Yung LED ceiling. So LED lahat yan. Hintayin natin magpalit. Stig. Nakita nyo itong building na to. Yan o, nakita nyo isang buong building na yan. Itong buong building na to, ang binibenta lang ay Apple products. Grabe. Apple products lang yan, yung building na yan. You know, yung building na yan, itong napakalupit at napakagandang building na to. Apple products lang. Akala mo isang buong mall yung building.
Tawagan mo naman sila oh. Ganda ng mall na to.
Ganda ng mall. Ngayon ako nakita na escalator na ano, waterproof, Jean. Tumutong escalator na to. Ngayon ako nakita escalator na walang ano, walang ceiling. Hinahayaan lang nila mabasa. Wow! Alam ko to, itong Gaga. Diba ito yung nasa Shenzhen?
Baka iba.
Gaga naman.
Ayoko na yung Gaga kasi wala lasing mga pagkain doon.
Baka nagkalasa na.
Ilang years na rin yun.
Baka na-discover na nila yung ano. Baka na-discover na nila yung ano. Yung Ajinomoto.
Baka na-discover na nila Ajinomoto.
Ayaw nyo ba?
Pagkain na Gaga promise. Ganda no? I love it.
Ganda ng mall.
Ano tayo, mag-manifest tayo naman ano, partnership talaga with them para pupunta-punta up.
Pero yan, nangyayari na lang yan. Ganda ng mga restaurants dito.
Pero hopefully, pag uwi namin sa Manila.
Tara, iyayin mo na yung mga like.
Baka dito din nila tayo dadalhin mamaya.
Thai ata yan eh.
Thai na. Pero parang asap itong char grilled beef ribs with homemade Thai sauce.
Anong katabi? Anong katabi? Oh, yan na ako na. Curry. Gusto ko ng curry. Thai restaurant. Wow. Ah, sa labas pa? Ganda. Ganda yung vibe niya.
这个我帮他加一个餐具还是拿一个桌子？要哪个？拿桌子还是拿？不用，就是这6个加一套餐具可以吗？
Sorry.
Ano?
Okay, this one's okay.
还是要再给您拉一个？
Ah, ilan ba tayo? Ilan ba tayo?
7.
Ah,
1, 2. Okay, one more.
还是就是往这儿加一套餐具？1, 2, 3, 4。
Oh, it's okay.
OK，外面3个。
1, 2, 3. Yes.
oh. Grabe, ganda ng architecture ng mga ano, shopping malls sila dito. Ano, Nikon building lang. Overall, experience so far, so nandito na kami almost like 2.5 days. 2 full days. Well, wala pa nga 2 full days. Basta today's the second day. Half day on the Sunday that we got here. Tapos overall, wala lang. Isang very pleasant yung experience. Talagang extremes yung Beijing. All the way from historical, cultural, sa mga modern buildings na katulad nito. Mga malls. And magandang experience din yung nakita namin Forbidden City. Talagang marirealize mo yung kung ano yung klase ng ano ba yun? Kung ano yung civilization nila before, like 600 years ago, and then all the transitions between from an emperor ruled nation to a communist nation. Tapos dun sa, so overall parang 24 na yung mga naging emperors sila, starting from the Ming Dynasty. Tapos 6 prime ministers. Simula ng panahon pa ni, ni Chairman Mao. At dito kami, Thai restaurant. Ganda ng mga stalls sila dito. Mga pop-up stalls lang nila. Ganda. Very basic. Dito sa kabila may mga papayang pa sila. Vincent, tara! Reed Coffee. Ganda na itong area na to. Tingnan nyo. Yung mga stalls niya. May Starbucks doon. Tapos cake shop. Coffee shop. Tsaka lumalamig na rin yung weather. Sino bili ng isang latte?
Yan yung trabaho ko sa buhay.
Yeah, si Sherwin na si Junmar. Si Junmar.
Saan tayo?
Ganda ng area. Tahimik lang Tapos cozy na nag-hangout yung mga tao. Dito ang mga nagbabike, hindi naglilibang. Talagang nagko-commute sila. May destination silang pupuntahan. Tsaka tahimik Yun din ang maganda na puro electric. Nicole, yun din ang maganda na puro electric bike sila dito, tahimik. Ano? So yung mga tao nakatambay dito, hindi na ingayan. Walang noise pollution.
Yun ang dapat na ginagawa sa pinaka-gradual.
Tapos grabe yung bike Ayun kaliwat kanan. Puro e-bike. Halos walang motorbike dito. Ano? Grabe kahit saan ka tumingin puro e-bike. Kaya tahimik din walang noise pollution. Halos wala kang makita talaga motor. No? Lahat to e-bike.
Nabutan pa namin yung Shenzhen na may mga motor pa na malalakas.
May ingay?
Oo. Tapos
galing.
Parang after several months, pumapasok yung mga iba. Mabilis din yung development niya.
Hindi ko mas incentivized.
Tapos parang pinabagsak nila yung
Ba't hindi ganito kaya mga tao sa office, Julius, mag-e-bike, papasok? Kasi motor nila, gusto nila pinampoprobinsya rin. No?
Nag-outing sila pag
Pinang-outing. Tapos dikit din yung presyo, no? Hindi rin kalayuan.
Tsaka yung charging station pala.
Dito madali.
Yung sa Singapore, marami na sa parking lots.
Tayo to? Tayo.
Hey, Jules.
Grabe siksikan.
Okay lang ba?
Cute kaayo.
Kasya ba tatlo? Medyo dugyot yung ano namin ngayon. Pag naka-van kami, ano yung social mga van namin eh. Sarap ng tambay ng mga tao, Nicole. Malls po, Nicole, doon, kakatabi. Avatar, Starbucks, grabe yung mga Starbucks. Ganda po yung tour. Sunod mga malls dito, Nicole. Ayan, ang dami po. Bili ka natin. Ganda, stand up. Ganda. Ganda na ako. Wala, tapos na. At busy. Alam na natin sa tayo. Mahal dyan. Ang dara ulap eh.
Shenzhen.
Okay, dito na. So, ito ngayon ang ano namin service. Yung mga nakaraang araw, mga high-tech vans yung sinasakyan namin. Ngayon, ito lang.
Parang BU, CA. Tapos yung last two letters is QI. Bukati. Pero yung BD siya. Ganon.
Ganda talaga ng ano, entrance ng Crown Plaza.
No air, no air.
Okay, it's 5:30 PM. Meron kaming lakad ngayong gabi. So, dinner date with a lark and another guest. Si Nicole eh, minamadali ako eh.
Hindi, nag-chat siya no.
At pala, nag-gym na muna ako eh.
Dito ano, nag-adjust ng time. Traffic yung unit.
Hindi ka nakata tayo.
Okay tayo ulit.
Ano magreklamo ka kay Boy ako?
Nanonood lang ako ng ano eh.
Pinadala ako ng pangalawang SIM. Ng eSIM.
Bumilis internet nyo? Ha?
Siya.
Bumilis?
Alin?
30 minutes na lang eh.
Hindi,
Wala
isa
pang
yun.
balik mo doon. Wala na.
Andito na si Olivier. Ingtong.
Eric. Thank you for
I'm
waiting up for us.
Ingtong, I'm constantly vlogging for my TikTok. Is it fine?
What?
Is it fine for me to vlog?
Yeah,
the entire thing.
Yeah, but in the office tomorrow, no.
Yeah, not allowed.
Yeah, but Dino.
Inside TikTok, it's not allowed to do TikTok.
Yeah, the office policy.
Algarve.
Very nice. Oh.
And Olivier is here. Olivier, do you know that I'm doing my TikTok regularly? Yes.
Of course, why not?
I am Nicole.
Hi. Sorry, Nicole, my wife.
Yes.
Jean, my sister.
That's yes.
And then my bodyguards.
Yes. We have guns, so don't mess with us.
Yeah. Be careful here. We might not want to joke too much about that.
Okay. No, you're not supposed to do that.
Okay, let me book. Sorry.
So next activity. Magdi-dinner kami together with the Lark Group. Tsaka isa pang tech company na in-invite din nila dito sa Beijing for a Lark ByteDance tour. Ingtong, tsaka si Olivier. At kami.
Maybe they thought you were in other people.
Yeah, we got the largest. Yeah, the initial.
Actually, when we were going around Sunday evening, when we were going around, they told us that they still.
Which one?
This one.
Is there any particular reason why you guys chose this restaurant?
I left it to an agency to
okay.
Yeah, because I myself,
you didn't do the research.
I'm not local. I don't have the
you just
phone number. I don't know.
Yeah,
last time
enough.
I was in Beijing was 2008. Oh no,
but they all look fancy.
Yeah, for the dinner tomorrow. Oh, I heard it's Teachers' Day today, so it's very hard to get like a room
here.
No, it's Teachers'
tomorrow.
Day. Tonight. Yeah. So, but tomorrow's dinner that's recommended by our colleague. Yeah, and she's dating me.
Wow.
Yeah, so we can look forward to tomorrow.
Instead of peeking. Wow.
Okay.
It's fancy. There's a crane.
You guys been to Chengdu before?
No.
You should really go to Chengdu. Yeah. Chengdu is a place of
Chengdu.
Like, yeah, it's like a Disneyland on steroids.
Really?
It's gonna be our next trip.
How about Chongqing?
As well.
Which one's better? Oh, wait, thanks.
Dito ka.
Feel free to.
Minsan tayo makipag-usap eh.
And if you don't sit next to me, I understand. I mean,
no, it's the one asking me to change seats. So everybody here is like from how many groups?
we've got different companies. So we've got O1.ai, which is the company we're visiting tomorrow morning.
Okay,
so they're going to explain how they use it. AI company, one of the big AI, top 5 AI company in China.
Wow.
Atomi, which is a buy now pay later company.
Atomi, yeah.
Atomi, yes, you know them. They're in Singapore.
Yes.
And then we have High-Tech C, which is a software development firm, about 2,000 engineers. Technically headquartered in Singapore as well, but with people all over the place.
High-Tech C is this group.
High-Tech C is the group there on the right, yeah, the three ladies there.
Cool.
So that's the...
Thank you for arranging this.
No, I mean, it's good that we're doing it. I mean, Jiangnan, I don't know if you want to go.
Ito na, mag-start na kami. So we'll have a...
Sorry. Well, we're all here. We're just missing one of our colleagues from Lagwatt who will join us later. So I just want to say a big thank you for everyone for joining us today. I don't have a speech, by the way, I promise. I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone for joining us today. Really excited to all the exchanges we're going to have over the next couple of days. We've got people from the Philippines, we've got people from Singapore, we've got people from here, obviously, and from all over China. Yes, please, let's have discussions, let's keep an open mind, let's exchange ideas, and hopefully we can get very good feedback after this little trip. So with this being said, thank you, and a big thank you to Ying Tong for organizing, because this wouldn't be possible without her. So cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Iinom to ng gamot. Cheers.
Cheers. The three of us.
So I'm Eric Santillan. I do organizational development for SP Madrid.
That's all about, that's only China. I used to live in China. Unfortunately, that's the only thing I learned. I'm kidding. I am the part of the SP Madrid team, so deputy CEO co-running the place with my brother. Yeah, and I am also a ByteDance alum. I used to work for TikTok back in Singapore for about 2.5 years. So, and in SP Madrid, we employ a lot of people to work on our clients' business, and we are really feeling the impact of automation, technology, AI, all the digital innovation. So I'm happy to meet everybody, and hopefully we collaborate. I note that you are already in Philippines, so why not with us? Yeah, I'm kidding. Yeah, so I'm happy to be here. Thank you for organizing. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
We've always done from early on. Like even like when my oldest was only 6 months old at the time, we left for a long weekend to build up the business. It was a funny story because
Mahina ka.
Mahina ka.
Anyway, tapos na kami dito and pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami. Time to go.
Si Jacob, yung kausap ko kanina.
Sorry? Ayun pa sila Jonathan.
Gets mo?
Inausap nga ako ng mga yung tatlong girls doon.
That's a very... Sino yung pinadala? Hindi mo naman diba kakaunang sila sa Erika kasama ko blah blah. Lahat sila nagkasama yung mga HR. Lahat sila. To go to a trip for technology. Kasama ng Alibaba na. Tencent yan na nila. So anyway, sabi niya, ang mistake daw na ginawa nila, kahit hindi siya wala ka siya experience sa marketing eh. Pero loyal siya sa company, so sa kanya ginawa. So yun daw yung biggest mistake na ginawa nila.
Dre, gagamitin contribution mo, boss. Unahan kita sa live. Walang kopyahan, Dre. Mag-isip ka ng sarili mo. Ganyan ang usapan namin the whole night.
Mag-isip ka ng isasuggest.
Kala i-suggest ba kayong ganyan? Siya talaga yung may nagamit kasi user siya.
Nakauwi na kami. Ano, gym? Gym muna ako sandali.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock tayo alis dito.
Sa either kakain ka, nag-gym ka.